Libra, Libra, Libra. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, another reading. January 18, 2026. Yes, new moon reading po tayo. So, ang message po ng new moon on January 18 is about long-term goal. Yung ating long-term goal daw at mga preparation for new growth and opportunities. Yes? So, check natin. Check natin, Libra. And also, taking responsibility. Yan po ang message ng new moon on January 18. Yeah? So, game na tayo. Game na tayo. So, welcome po fellow OFW sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Magandang araw, tanghali, gabi, kung nasaan po tayo. Ingat po tayo. So, let's start Libra. Libra, air sign, balance, looking for balance. New moon, January 18. What Libra needs to know? What Libra needs to know? January 18. Oops, lumitaw na. Okay, mabilis. Knight of Sword, okay? Year of the Horse, 2026, Fire Horse, mabilis. Mabilis mag-isip, mabilis mag-desisyon, mabilis din mag-init ang ulo, mabilis tabangan, mabilis magbago ang pag-iisip. Yeah? So, Libra, headspace, decision, news, moving fast, moving towards a different direction, moving towards your expansion. Yeah? So, long-term goal. So, saan ka pupunta? Yeah? Pupunta ka sa kanan o pupunta ka sa kaliwa? Tignan natin. Anong desisyon? Yeah? So, Libra, check natin. Tignan natin ang plans and what in store for our friends Libra. Okay, game na. January 18, new moon, long-term goals, taking responsibility, paghahanda para sa new growth at opportunities. So, tignan natin, Libra. What you need to know. Okay. Yeah, Sun. The most abundant card sa tarot deck. Yeah, pinakaswerte. Ano na to? Ultimate. Penultimate. Yes? So, pupunta ka sa direction na gusto mo ng abundance, na gusto mo ng healthy, ng prosperity, ng lahat ng decision mo ay palaging tama, lahat ng gagawin mo ay mag-a-agree ang mga tao, lahat ng i-manifest mo, makukuha mo, connecting to your dream at mga goals and inspirations, lahat ng plano mo sa buhay for 2026. So, i-sign mo yan, i-sign up mo na yan, ilagay mo na sa drawing board, yeah? Tignan natin kung makukuha mo yan or babagsak sa'yo anytime soon. Yes? Nothing is impossible. Kung yan ang minanifest mo, kunin natin. Yeah? Kunin natin. New Year. So, tayo po? Reset. Prepare for new growth. Lahat po tayo. We want happiness and fulfilling life. Ayaw natin ng mabigat yung 2025. Yes? Mabigat po yung 2025. I think hindi lang ako, kundi mostly of us. Okay, let's continue. Tuloy natin. New moon reading, January 18, Libra. What Libra needs to know? Give me one card. Ituloy natin yung storyboard niya. So long-term goal. Long-term goal, taking responsibility, new growth, new opportunities. Newman message, January 18, Libra. Okay, winner ka na dito eh. Moving to that direction. Moving. And news is fast. News is fast. Mabilis. Mabilis ang news. Libra. So, ang inaano ko lang dito, ang fear ko lang dito dahil weighing scale ka. You're always looking for balance. Minsan, you can't make decision quickly. Okay, maski na nandyan na siya, nagdududa ka. Yeah, okay. Six of Swords. Yes, moving to that direction. Okay. Okay. The blind spot I can see here. Pupunta ka rito, yung isa pupunta rito, but at the middle of this scenario sa drawing board mo, you have the sun. Yes? Yun ang yun ang blind spot mo. Yun ang blind spot mo. Okay, ituloy natin. Saan ako kukuha ng card? Ituloy natin. Moving to a peaceful direction. Yeah? Moving to a peaceful direction. That's expansion. Yes? Ano to expansion na hinahanap mo? Ano to expansion? What is this expansion you're looking for? Libra, Libra. Give me blind spot. Blind spot, Libra. Libra, Libra. Help, support, money. You get it. Yeah? Career. You get it. Expansion. I can see travel here. Travel, saan ka pupunta? Okay? Trabaho ba to o bagong opportunity for 2026? Yes? Kung itinanim mo ito ng 2025, you're gonna get it towards before January 18. Yeah? So, ibinigay na sa'yo ng universe. It opens up. It opens up your wish fulfillment at saka yung portal mo. Yes? So, huwag ka na magduda dito. Hindi ka na dapat magduda. Minsan doon tayo nahihilaw. Yung abundance is in front of us. Pero sometimes nagkakaroon tayo ng hesitation. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng hesitation. Normal po yan kasi natatakot tayo. Kasi unknown yan eh. Unknown po yan. Nothing is yung makikita natin, ito after 5 months na nagtrabaho ka rito, makukuha mo na yung pinang placement mo. Yung mga ganun tipo, may takot tayo. Okay lang, ano po yun, normal yun. Pero we didn't realize we missed out something. Yeah? Hindi po kasi ganun kadali na, okay, pupunta ako dito, tanggapin ko rito dahil pero nagkakagera doon sa malapit na bansa. Yes? Okay? Merong ganyan. So, natatakot tayo. I mean, free choice po yun, pero minsan kasi hindi natin nare-research na tahimik pala dito sa lugar na ito. It's not what... Kasi all sa Pilipinas, bakit ang Pilipinas, out of the ASEAN countries, ilan lang ang turistang pumupunta? Yeah. Thailand, nabasa ko sa newspaper the other day, Thailand, meron mahigit 30 million na turista. Vietnam, nasa more than 20 million. Okay? Kung titignan nyo po ang news, ilang turista ang pumunta sa Pilipinas, parang masaya na sila kapag merong 5 million. Yeah? It's not something na we should be proud of. Kasi other ASEAN countries, Singapore is Singapore. Pero yung Pilipinas, bakit walang pumupunta? Samantalang napakababait naman nating mga Pilipino. Okay? Yes. So yun ang fear minsan. Yeah, okay. Now, Six of Swords. Okay, this is validation. You have a Six of Swords here, Six of Swords here. Okay, now this is moving to a peaceful and new uncharted territory. Yeah, uncharted meaning hindi pa natin proven. Yes, but the universe is telling, go to that direction, Libra. Again, free choice. If this is an opportunity, I think this is related to work and money fundamentals. Yes? So ito yung hindi na lang travel, physical travel, kundi um, maski na sabihin natin nasa Pilipinas ka, tapos and then merong opening sa ibang lugar na malayo sa kung nasa Maynila ka, pupunta ka halimbawa ng Cebu City or ng Davao City or another province na merong opportunity kasi nando na mismo yung mga nagnenegosyo dahil sa mahal ang upa at renta. Yan, lalo ngayon yung mga BPO, mga call center, lumilipat sila sa Iloilo, sa Dumaguete City, sa ibang lugar kasi mahal nga yung hindi biro po yung magnegosyo at yung mga investor, magre-rent ka, magpapasweldo ka, magbabayad ka ng kuryente, tapos maliit lang yung kita nila. So, those are uncharted territory na babagsak dito sa librang nasa harapan ko. Now, if this is a huge expansion, hindi lang ito local travel, kundi assignment po ito sa okay, magbibigay na ako halimbawa um, sa South Africa, okay? Yung mga ganong lugar sa kontinente na malayo sa Pilipinas na we don't have any clue kung paano yung buhay doon sa ganong lugar. Yeah, this is how huge this one, okay? Ngayon, yung direction na pinupunta ni Libra is on the other side, okay? This is something questionable na I think na pinag-iisipan niya, okay? I will find out soon, okay? You have that Six of Sword, moving. Moving, sword, mental, it can be a mindset, yes? Change of thinking na yung opportunity to grow can be internal also. Yes? Expansion, to move to a different direction, meaning mindset, mag-iiba yung pananaw mo sa buhay na na pwede palang gawin yun na you thought, Libra, na hindi mo kaya, pero dumating yung opportunity, offer ito eh. Okay, King of Pentacles, somebody in a position who will give you the opportunity to expand. Yes, yung talento mo na hindi mo alam na meron ka or alam mo na meron ka pero natatakot ka. Yeah? Okay, it's a possibility. Now, kung hindi ka ready, that's something na problematic. Yes? Especially kapag ito yung wini-wishful thinking or minamanifest mo at biglang dumating. Minsan nagkakaroon tayo dyan ng how do you call it? Ng resistance. Kasi kapag nasa isip mo pa lang na ay mag-a-abroad ako, pupunta ako sa ganitong lugar. Yeah, same with me. I gave you an example. Matagal na rin po akong nag-OFW. Wala akong idea. Biglang bumagsak. Hindi ko na-expect na ang ina-applyan ko pala sa Pilipinas, ipapadala ako sa ibang lugar. Yeah. And it's something na, no, I just want to share because anything can happen. I do not know, siguro dumating yung sun on that period in time noong in-applyan ko na talagang, I just want money. Kasi marami akong problema, marami akong utang. Marami akong utang, yes. Marami akong utang. Ang nasa isip ko, kailangan ko magbayad ng utang kasi dumating po ako sa sitwasyon na iniilit pati yung pinagkakautangan ko na inutang ko. You know, those kind of thing na nakaprenda and everything. Yes. So, wala na akong takot, kundi sumakay na ako dito sa bangka na dumating sa harapan ko para unknown territory na wala akong idea what to expect in those places, maski na sa Southeast Asia. Yeah? Pero that was more than 20 years ago. Okay? Now, the same scenario is happening to Libra here. Okay? This is where you're gonna make a decision. Again, long-term goal, if this is what your long-term goal na itinanim mo or years towards January 18, yung babagsak sa'yo yan, Libra. Okay? I have 2 Six of Swords here. So, you need to have quick change of mindset kung pag dumating yung opportunity na ito, papunta ka ba sa direction na ito o papunta ka doon sa direction na yan? Yeah? Yung growth, there's no problem. Personal growth, prepare for personal growth, new growth, opportunities. It is right in front of you. Yeah? Sun, the most powerful card in tarot. King of Pentacles, that's as somebody na who is very wise and very um, uh, fundamentals, the structure, alam niyang trabahuhin. Hindi siya makakarating sa posisyon na ito kung hindi siya nagsimula sa mababa. Kaya siya naging King of Pentacles. Yeah? Alam niya yung struktura ng buhay. Sorry po. Yes, Pentacle, Libra, is about structure. Yes? Pamumuhay, kalusugan, ito yung tatrabahuhin natin. Yes? So, it's not something easy. May physical effort po yan. May physical effort po yan. Effort. Yeah? Okay. Papunta ka na doon. Dumating. Yung minanifest mo. Ngayon, are you gonna go to that direction? Yung opportunity na yan. Okay. Tignan natin. Message Libra. For Libra, New Moon. Ano pa yung message kay Libra ng New Moon? Yeah? Bigyan natin ng magandang reading. New Moon is about setting long-term goal. Itong January 18. So, dapat ready po kayo. Okay? Pag nagbukas yung opportunity, sisimplihan ko na lang yung oportunidad. Hindi ko na wala ng mga portal pa itong mga universe. Babagsak yan. Basta may itinanim ka. Yes? That's the very powerful. Yeah, okay. So, ingat ka lang. May sinasabi dito. Okay. Kapag, if it's too good to be true, medyo himayin mo. Okay. Medyo himayin mo. Okay, 5 of Swords. Mga trickster, mga nambobola, okay? Mag-ingat ka doon. Okay. Now, are you dealing with Virgo? If you're dealing with Virgo, siguro ito yung advisor mo. Now, it's either you're dealing with a Taurus or a Virgo, pero malinaw dito yung Virgo element. Okay? Kung may placement kang Virgo, so, aralin mo, okay? I-research mo, hindi lahat ng maganda opportunity na babagsak, you need to grab. Pero, opportunity pa rin yun. What I can see here is, yung opportunity na darating siguro is being selective only. So, you have Virgo, the wise man, always looking for that wisdom. Yes? Hugutin mo yan. Hugutin mo yung element ng the hermit. Introspection, get some advice, somebody na wiser than you are o may experience na para dun sa ganoong sitwasyon. Learn from that, okay? That's how we grow. Okay? Kasi new moon message is also taking responsibility. Okay? There's no right or wrong sa decision po natin, pero once we make a decision, may ripple effect. May ripple effect po sa succeeding months or year. Yung mga good decision or bad decision. Well, again, no good or bad decision. Kaya lang may ripple effect yung sa susunod na sitwasyon. Example, nangutang ka bago ka mag-placement. So, para may pang-placement ka. Yes? Okay. So, yung na lang ganoon yung effect ng uutangin mo. Yeah? Okay. So, that's something that you need to be committed. Tama po ba? Whereas kung manghihiram ka sa kamag-anak na walang interest, pay now, ano bang tawag doon? Yung mga joke-joke natin, pay when able, yung mga ganun tipo, less stress ba? Yung mga ganun tipo, it's a decision, okay? So, yun ang sinasabi dito na you need to be cautious also and learn from people na who had done na nagkaroon na rin sila ng ganong sitwasyon. Yes? So, this movement, let's say, I can see movement in maaring ito ay hindi lang sa career kundi movement sa Sa relationship, it's a movement. It can be movement in okay, mindset. Let's say merong proyekto tapos gusto mong subukan. Ngayon, for you, Libra, na maging successful ka na para ma-execute mo yung isang proyekto, you also need somebody na mentor. Ika nga, okay? Mentor, okay. I found the word. Find a mentor, okay? Kung ano, i-apply po natin ang sitwasyon natin kung ano yung present ng situation sa life natin. Yes? So, yung opportunity dumating, mabilis, yung universe na ang nagpo-push sa'yo, Libra, okay? Now, may mga trickster, mga people na maaring inggitero, meron na inggit yata dito. Okay, now, people surrounding you, you need to be cautious and ask help or you find a mentor. Yes, meron kang placement ng Virgo, somebody or someone or as a Taurus na who can be your mentor also or helping you na to succeed in that direction, kung ano man yung decision mo. Okay? So, but this one is gonna happen fast. Yes? Kung itinanim mo yan, it's time for you now to do the hard work. Wala nang wala nang pagpipigil. Wala nang pagpipigil ito, Libra. Kuha lang ako ng isang card pa. Let's see. Okay. I just want to get another blind spot. Lumilito ulit yung sun, oh. Yeah? Kapag ganyan, major arcana is a big ship po. This is something outside ng comfort zone natin. Oops, sorry. Yep, okay, sorry Libra, bumagsak yung card. Okay, as I was saying, any major arcana, I always consider it big shift na we don't have any control. It's something na it will happen. Okay? Maski na anong decision mo or you don't make a decision, iikot pa rin yung mundo for us. It's either sumakay ka doon sa bangka, that's the opportunity, or hindi ka sumakay, and then things will happen. Yes, but we never know. Okay, walang right or wrong, but Libra na sinasabi dito, find that mentor. Okay, this is a big shift, and if this is part of your long-term goal, yes, you need to take responsibility as well, whatever is the outcome may be. Okay, now I need to get a conclusion. I just want to see the conclusion. Okay, let's see. Virgo, Libra. Kung meron kang Librang placement or somebody is guiding you na Virgo ang sign, yeah, learn from that. Mentor, kailangan natin yan. Kailangan natin yan. That's also telling you to do some research also. Yeah? Kasi wisdom, structure, learning, knowledge. Okay. So one more, I see one more blind spot. I just want to see the outcome. Give me blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Give me one card, one card, one card. Give me one card. Libra, 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 Libra. Blind spot, blind spot. One more, one more, one more card. One more, one more. Outcome, 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 outcome. Give me outcome. Give me one card, one card, one card. Yeah? Okay. Oh, are you dealing with Pisces? Merong dito. Ano bang tawag ko dito? Parang something is pulling you down. Okay. Okay, Pisces. Dealing with Pisces. Okay. Waiting for clarity, Pisces, o may Pisces sign ka. This is a lot of emotion. Okay? Walang clarity. Walang clarity or Pisces has a huge influence on you. Okay? You need to you need to deal with that with that element, okay? Malabo yung the moon. There's no clarity. Are you waiting for clarity? It's also holding you or keeping you to move forward, okay? That's what I can sense here. Okay. That's not the final answer, okay? Pero that for me it's a warning sign. It's a warning sign. Okay. Wait for clarity. Okay. Wait. January 3, there's a full moon. Okay. There's a full moon on January 3. Check yung reading noong January 3, Libra. Okay. Yung meron kang mapipick up doon. Baka merong message. Okay. Baka meron kang mapick up doon. Okay. Let's see. One more. Blind spot. I want to see the outcome. Bumagsak sa'yo eh. Babagsak sa'yo. Okay? Babagsak sa'yo yung opportunity. It's huge. Pero that's something I can sense. Kaya kung nasabing there's hesitation, you're going to that direction and then the offer is coming to that direction. Ang commonality, you want that wishful happiness, wishful fulfillment, and that abundance, yeah? Lahat, yan ang dream natin. Tinatap natin yan. Alam natin. But something is holding you. Yung tutulong nandiyan. Merong a little hiccups. May siguro yung mga player, mga inggitero, nakakarinig ka ng something, it's holding you. So, Virgo is telling you na why not try? Parang ganoon. Or you have a Virgo, look for a mentor who can give you moral advice or wisdom, knowledge. Yes, research. Do some research. Okay, outcome. Libra. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. May hangover pa si Libra ah. Okay. Blind spot. Libra. Give me one card. One card lang. One card. Hindi sayang. Oops. Okay, sorry Libra. Okay. Give me one card lang. One card. I need validation. One card. Yeah. I-forward nyo na lang to kung nainip kayo sa Okay. I just want to get it ibigay niyang ng card yung message. Okay. Instead of picking up one card. Blind spot. One lang. Blind spot. One lang. Oops. Tumaob ba? Wala. One lang. Isa lang. Libra, to complete the message. One lang. One blind spot. Yeah, okay. Okay, pasensya na po at yeah, your expansion. Okay. Yeah, did I use the word expansion a while ago? Yeah. 2 of 1 is the young emperor. Okay? Itong Libra nasa harapan ko, you are being groomed. Yeah? Ano itong proyekto na ito? Ano itong opportunity na ito? Ano itong promotion na ito? Ano itong, kung sa big business, kumbaga sa hey, Libra, magtayo tayo ng negosyo, ikaw ang maglilid. Ganito ito. That's how big is this. Okay? So, pinagod ako ng pagbalasa ni Libra. Okay, this is huge, okay? I've seen a lot of huge, 2026, big shift po. A lot of big things will happen. So, a lot of opportunity, call it the universe or the portal or, whatever metaphysical belief that you have. But, there's a lot of expansion and a lot of changes. Big shift for the better. Yeah, it's gonna be huge. So, Libra, I think you're all, Libra na nasa harapan ko, kasama ka doon sa ano na yon, sa wave na yon. So, you are looking at that expansion in front of you. Ano yung definition mo? Yes? You need to define that. Ingat lang sa mga inggitero-inggitera. Okay, meron. I can see. Okay? Iba-iba po tayo ng definition. Maaring ito yung small na online store mo, bam, ganyan yan. Or yung trabaho mo, i-assign ka sa another direction. Yes? And it will make you, you feel uncomfortable sometimes. Yeah? Because it's medyo, medyo tricky itong I'm not gonna sugarcoat itong five of sword. Yeah, I think you need to be cautious. That's why I say na kailangan mo ng mentor kasi it's not something na okay, punta ako doon, dalhin ko yung maleta ko, simula na. Yung ganon, there's also a complex thing because this is huge. I have here yung two validation noong Six of Sword. This is uncharted territory. Yeah, Libra, headspace, it's not only peace of mind here, but you can see that, nakita ko kasi yung alon very, ano ba tawag din, maalon. Yeah, okay. So, bago tayo pumunta dun sa baybayin, lugar na matahimik, yung binaybay mo, talagang it's tumultuous, ano ba yung word na yun? Ma-heavy. Yes? So that's how I can sense it. So it's huge. It's not something na, it is big. It is big, pero medyo tricky. Because the hermit, yeah, yung hermit, it's about wisdom. In itong cave na ito, this is our life's dream. Yes? So, maraming yan, it's treacherous. It's treacherous, meaning maraming pain, maraming nasugat-sugat sa paa before you can learn and master that wisdom. Yeah? Yun ang isang sense ko rito. The moon, I do not know what is this moon all about here, Pisces element. Yeah? If somebody's holding you, or maybe you need to wait for until the full moon. Okay? May clarity. But definitely, you have the, hindi lang winning moments to, that super abundance. Yeah? Okay. So, think big. Because you're gonna have it. You're gonna have it, Libra. Okay, so, napahaba po. Okay, one moon message. Yeah, one moon message. Tignan natin. Yeah, magpapakapitong si Libra na ito. Mostly yung reading ko this new moon, very that there are moments na very heavy yung mga reading, but this one is talaga, it's very fulfilling. Ito yung mga yung sinasabi ko minsan na be careful on what you wish for. Yeah, because ibibigay yan. Okay, one last oracle moon para kay Libra. Okay, isa lang. May hesitation tong Libra na sa harapan ko, na pipil ko sa card. Kaya kung mukha nung last time ayaw magsalita, ito rin, ayaw niya magsalita. Mukhang secretive ito. Kasi bilang, weighing scale You don't want also people, talk about you. Okay? For you, private ka, maging successful ka, okay. Yung magkapera ka, okay. Manalo ka sa loto, you just keep it to yourself. Nothing wrong. Privacy, private life. Ganun tayo. Okay, isa lang. To wrap up. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Okay, kunin ko na to. Sagittarius, sabi. Okay, may Sagittarius ka ba? Fire, okay? So sabi dito, be prepared to be adaptable as plans you have laid may take an unexpected course, okay? Yeah. Okay. Hindi ito delay. Maari, slight, but I don't think so. Ang unexpected course nito, ito siguro, ito. I have double validation ito. Kaya sinabi ko, tumultuous. Tama ba yung English ko? Okay. Yung dagat, you thought na medyo smooth sailing, but actually it is not as smooth as what you think. Pero, ayun yung mga kidlat to. Pero, at the end of the day, sabi ko sa'yo, papunta ka rito. This is huge. Yes? Kumbaga sa promotion, you will fight for your promotion or darating yan. Akala mo babagsak na lang, pero hindi. So that's why I tell you, you need a mentor. Kasi medyo rocky, but you gonna win. That's how it is. You will get it. Yung offer, papupuntahin ka roon, pero magkakaroon ng side trip. Okay. Pumunta ka na sa Amerika. Pero, hindi ka diretso sa Amerika. Pupunta ka muna sa Saipan, yeah, which is part of the US also. Yung mga ganun tipo. Medyo nagkaroon ng detour, pero at the end of the day, you gonna nail that. You gonna win big. Okay? So, yan ang message ng Sagittarius sa'yo. So, you are being groomed. Yes. Okay? Whatever yung delay na yon or yung detour, you are groomed to success. Inaano ka, hinuhulma para sa tagumpay. Yes? Okay, magpapakape ka, Libra. Okay? So, New Moon, January 18, 2026. So, sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Salamat po. See you again.